unfortunate thing is that the origin place of yoga is India. So, internationally, globally, the yoga importance of yoga is being realized and it is being practiced now. The unfortunate thing is that being yoga has originated in India, but the people who are staying abroad and outside the country has been starting yoga practice for their mental health, physical health, and to keep their emotions balanced. And if you just trace out the history of yoga and trace out the people who has achieved moksha and samadhis, they have practiced yoga as internal part of their lives and they made this activity known to all of the people who are in India and abroad. They have instructed, they have set an example in front of all of us to practice yoga to keep our mind, body as well as our emotions on control, to keep control our senses. This is very important. My dear parents, I just want to discuss with you all the American Psychological Association, that is APA, has introduced and it has given a due importance to yoga relating to psychology. Nowadays you find the children, the people around age like 18 to 60, they suffer from one of the other diseases of psychology like anxiety, stress, you can say dyslexia and many other disease like. So if you practice yoga, you can just get away from all of this disease and you can lead a happy and peaceful life and harmonious life where you can find the coordination between your mind, your body and your emotions. As Aristotle has rightly said, a sound mind rests in sound body. In the same way, if you want your brain to work properly, to function to its large extent, then you have to practice yoga. Then you have to make your physique perfect and sound. Then you can concentrate on other things. Nowadays, I find many children, they do, and they, especially during pandemic, where we are facing many problems. And I think and I feel that yoga can help us to get away, to get rid of all this stress and daily household chores and all. So on this special yoga day, I just want you to, because you might have seen Gautam Buddha has performed meditation and he has attained samadhi and he proved the world that yoga can help you to get away from sorrows of life, to get away from worries of life. So this is yoga, it has great importance in our life. I think yoga can appeal to all of the three domains of your life, that is cognitive, cognitive and affective. So based on this, taking this occasion as an opportunity, I request all my students who are watching this program, I request all my audience to practice yoga, to make it as an internal part of their life, so that we can get away from stress, from panicky, from getting worried, from getting sadness and everything, and we can enjoy the life to its large extent. So this is one message I just want to convey to you all on behalf of our group of institutions. So I humbly request all my audience to practice yoga and to include yoga in our daily life, so that we can live our life very happy, harmoniously and a peaceful way. So I wish at last happy yoga day and I pray to God keep. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Moving ahead, yoga is not a religion, it is a science, a sense of well-being, a sense of youthfulness, a sense of integrating body, mind and soul. So I request my teacher, Mr. Rishikesh Bitke, to teach all of us some different yoga asanas.
I hope and feel that the asanas which are going to be practiced here indeed going to help us to keep our mind and body sound. Here, we request to all of us to get ready for yoga.
पहले हाथ दोनों हाथ जोड़ेंगे, छाती पे रखकर बड़ा सांस लेंगे। ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट। फिर से छाती पे रखेंगे, सांस लेंगे, हाथ ऊपर खींच के राइट साइड रखेंगे, तिरिया तारा। फिर से लेफ्ट साइड,
उजेड़े कल कई करते नहीं कैमरा
एक पैर सीधा करेंगे,
कैमरा